guys, what's up? Leticia here in the city of Antioch. So I am one block west of Deer Valley Road, south of Lone Tree Way, close to shops and schools, walking distance to Service Mall. I have this beautiful two-story home, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2,473 square feet on a 7,490 square foot lot. This one is a very desirable area in Laurel Ridge. Special of the week, move-in condition, summer season sale. Buy this home and I'll buy yours. Let's start by taking a tour of this beautiful home.